Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the Logitech headset H390, a wired headset designed for PC and laptop users. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk comfort. The Logitech H390 boasts plush, padded ear cups and a headband that ensure optimum comfort, even during those marathon gaming sessions or long conference calls. But comfort isn't the only thing this headset has to offer. With enhanced audio quality, thanks to its laser-tuned drivers, you'll experience premium sound whether you're gaming, listening to music, or joining a virtual meeting. One feature that stands out is the noise-canceling microphone. It's designed to minimize background noise, ensuring crystal-clear communication every time. Plus, it's conveniently adjustable, so you can position it exactly where you need it. Another handy feature is the inline controls, allowing you to adjust the volume or mute your microphone without interrupting your workflow. It's all about convenience, folks. And speaking of convenience, the Logitech H390 is plug-and-play, meaning you can simply connect it to any PC or Mac with a USB-A port and start using it right away. No software installation required. Now, let's take a look at what's included in the box. Along with the headset, you'll get a cleaning cloth, ensuring your gear stays in top condition. Plus, it comes with a pouch for easy storage and portability. So, whether you're a gamer, a remote worker, or a student attending virtual classes, the Logitech H390 has got you covered. It's comfortable, it delivers premium audio quality, and it's packed with features to enhance your overall experience. That wraps up our review of the Logitech headset H390. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy gaming, and stay tuned for the next episode.